Marsati Bodin Serano, one duty and Battalion Therapy for Ground, Arbeto Brigadier, Inspector G.D. Azad Singh. Platoon Commander S.I. of the D.C. Kailash Sharma of 6th Battalion, FSB, Ranipur Prasad, is a connected platoon number 2. Economy after Hospital Survey of the Weather. Time to the base platoon commander APSI Mr. of 7th Aviation Solar Column. Your platoon number 3. Platoon commander EUDSI C. Asim Bora of Professor D.E. as Main Staff. Economic System Air Platoon number 4. WFIC Sanghamika Nail of Professor D.E.F. Omen Staff. Economic System Air Platoon number 5. Platoon Commander C.C. Anantmohan Abhidari of Bhopal, Professor District Economic System Air Platoon number 6. Platoon Commander Sri Vikas Verma Platoon Commander Sri Vikas Verma of Professor Dr. NCC. Economic System Air Platoon number 7. Platoon Commander Sri Moita Goya Prana of Professor of HS and MP School, NCC Group. Platoon number 8. Platoon Commander Sri Moita Goya Prana of Professor of HS and MP School, NCC. Time to the page. Platoon Commander Sri Pravadip Nazari of Professor Science College. Platoon number 9. Time to the page. Platoon Commander Mizanur Sheikh of Professor F. SS and MP School, NSS. Platoon Commander Sri Nitin Brahma of Professor Golf College, NSS. Time to the page. Platoon Commander Sri Vivek Sohan of Professor Commerce College, Scout and Guide. Platoon number 2. Platoon Commander Miss Uza Musahari of Professor Girls HSC School, Dakuna. Platoon number 30. Platoon Commander Miss Bhumika Devnath of Professor Girls HSC School, Scout and Guide. Airport Colonel Abhinandan Anantano. Platoon number 40. Platoon Commander is Professor Bhumika Devnath of Professor Girls HSC School, Scout and Guide. Platoon number 50. Havildar Sachin Kasar Network President Party of Solar Column. Brahma Baba Technical School Guards is the registered air platoon number 22. Platoon Commander Sri Nilhan Delwari of Brahma Baba Technical School Boys, platoon number 23. The platoon commander Mrs. Mohima Delwari of Noel Academy, Bhopal, Gaya. Platoon number 24. Platoon commander Sri Cyclone Sunguri Brahma of US Academy, Boys. Platoon number 25. এয়া কুচকাৱাজৰ অভিবাদন অনুষ্ঠানৰ অন্তিমটো প্লাটুন তেখেতসকলে কুচকাৱাজৰ অভিবাদন আগবঢ়ালে আৰু তাৰ লগে লগে আমাৰ সামৰণি মৰিলে আমাৰ দেশৰ ৭৮ সংখ্যক স্বাধীনতা দিৱস উপলক্ষে কুচকাৱাজৰ চৰকাৰী উচ্চতৰ মাধ্যমিক আৰু বহুমুখী বিদ্যালয়ৰ খেলপথাৰত আয়োজন কৰা দেশৰ ৭৮ সংখ্যক স্বাধীনতা দিৱসৰ কুচকাৱাজ